Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Coding with Kabir. So guys, in this video, I'm going to start a new series of Visual Studio Code. So first and foremost, how to install Visual Studio Code. So I can install Visual Studio Code by clicking on this link, and if you're trying to find the perfect link to install Visual Studio Code, you can go down in the description, and I have also put a link there for your ready reference. Okay, the most basic question. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is an IDE called Integrated Development Environment used for software development, programs, website, web apps, and the mobile apps. It contains a complete tool, compilers, and all the features to support software development. Okay, how can we display our work in Visual Studio Code? Okay, first we have to install a extension called Live Server, and then once we are done with the code, and at the bottom right there might be an option saying Go Live. Then a tab will open in Google Chrome, and once you click it, all of your code will run in the tab. Now this is going to be our project for the day. How to set up a local environment, which is basically cover the whole screen in one color, in one specific color. First, we have to set a size of the canvas. Then second, we have to set the background color. And then third, click on Go Live. Okay, now let's come to the practical part. After you're done installing Visual Studio Code, click on Visual Studio Code and open it. And I just created a new project, and if you want to check it out, the link is in the description. I'm just gonna export it. Here I have an extension, and then in the extension write Live Server, and then click on and then install this one, Live Server. So what it basically does, with the help of this, you can run your code in the Chrome page. Now come to explore, and in sketch.js I'm gonna delete the background thing, and I'm gonna delete the canvas thing. So now in sketch.js you might find a code like in which it says function setup and function draw. So in function setup I have to write a name, say as canvas, and then I'm gonna add some brackets, not that, canvas, and then some brackets, and I don't know why does this one, canvas, and then some bracket, and then a semicolon. So in the canvas, in the brackets, I have to add a specific number. Let me just say I'm gonna add 600, 600, and here in function draw I'm gonna say set the background to, and then some brackets, and then it should be let's say line, line in double quotes, line. So now I'm gonna click on Go Live as I said, and yes, and it says listening directory, and here it says my name, the project name, sorry, and I click on it, and it takes me to the page, and here I have to say, I guess, frostbites. And I'm going to remove the double quotes. Let me right click on it. This is a way how can you find your errors. So right click on it and then click inspect. And then click on console, and canvas is not defined. It should be with the small c. Canvas is not a function. double quotes in it. See this? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to add numbers and numbers and numbers to try to make it filled. Like I'm gonna try to make it the canvas the size of my computer. I mean not that one, not this type of size. It should fit the whole white background. So here I'm gonna go to Visual Studio Code and I'm gonna say like 900. Okay, just copy this, paste it here. Okay, delete this from here and now, yep, it's visible. And I'm going to set this, and I'm going to set the size to 1000, and it should work now. I'm gonna click on inspect and see what's the problem. Console, uncaught, console, canvas is not defined and I don't need this anymore. Deleted and copy and paste. Yes, canvas is not functioning. Yeah, it's not that big deal. I'm gonna just check it out. Okay, yes, I just figured out the error, guys. So here in create canvas, I'm gonna put it in the function setup and the background line, actually I just remembered that line doesn't actually work. It should be numbers. So I'm gonna say like 90, it's gonna be gray, and 30, it's gonna be pure black. So now I'm gonna set the size to like 1000 and this 2000 as well. See, but the part that make it tricky is I don't want these scroll bars. I don't want these scroll bars. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this to like 999 or something. 999, yes. Scroll bars are still there. What about 900? Wait, it's gonna be 900, yeah, 900 by 900 pixels. Scroll bars are still there. What if I set it to 800? Okay, 750. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 750. It's gonna work. It is in between 800 and 750. So what if I do that 790? 790. Oh, 780. Yep, it is filled, and there are no scroll bars, and I just want this end line to come till here without any scroll bars from here. So now let's work on this. What about 999? Maybe 2000. Wait, that's why there are the scroll bars like here. 780 should work. Now it's not gonna be 2000, maybe 1050. Nope. 1150. 250. Wait, let's just do it as 450. Oh, it's really close. 300. Okay, it is gonna be 450, but it's gonna be 1400. 1420 or 30. Yep. And yes, that was it for today, guys. And you guys just saw how did we cover the whole computer screen or the mobile screen without having some scroll bars. And yes, that was it for today, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing since that motivates me to make videos for you guys. And until next time, it's me, Kabir, logging off.